In this little garden where flowers bloom, I find solace in the quiet afternoon. I sow my seeds, watch them grow so tall. A simple act of nature brings me joy and small. Oh, in my garden I find peace, love, hope, and sweet release. With every petal that touches the sun, I know that life has just begun.
Whispers of petals, gentle sounds that makes, oh yeah. Tender hands and soil, nurturing each seed. Dance with nature's secret symphony. Oh, the garden of whispers calls my name, where colors bloom and love remains, where every leaf tells a story, every bud a dream. In the garden of whispers I find my peace. In my little garden, with soul so rich and fine, I plant my seeds and watch them grow. In beauty they will shine. I tend to every leaf and bud with love and tender care. For in this humble garden, an oasis I declare. Blooming hues of red and blue, oh how they make me smile. The fragrance in the air, the colors run for miles. With each new blossom that appears, my heart begins to soar. In this garden of tranquility, my worries are no more. In my backyard, I got a little plot of